Welcome to my new addiction. Even if you don't like tomatoes, you'll like this one. Nah, that's not true. That's not true. If you don't like tomatoes, you won't like this one. Because it has tomatoes in it. Jesus Christ. So what you'll need is a couple of tomatoes. I usually use about 2 tomatoes for one person. 1 clove of garlic. Since my garlic was huge, I'm just going to use a half. Our trusted bottle of olive oil. Today I'm going to use some Spanish olive oil. And finally, some salt and some pepper. That's it. So first, let's cut up the tomatoes. Cut them in 2 again. And then I just like to cut them like into 3 weird looking shapes. Honestly, you can just cut them up any way you like. Put them in a bowl. For the garlic, we're going to cut it up into cubes. You don't want to press your garlic because you want some bite to it. There you go, something like that. Not too big, not too small, just the right amount. Now for the most simple part. Take your tomatoes, add the garlic in there. Give it a generous seasoning with salt and a little bit of pepper. If you don't like pepper, just leave it out. And of course, a drizzle of olive oil. Not too much, you don't want your tomatoes to be drowning in olive oil. Finally, give it a real good stir. And there you go, you have yourself a super addictive, super easy side dish.